Hello, Sir Joshua.
Hello po.
Ayan.
Okay, so overall, it was very smooth naman. So from inquiry pa lang through, nakita ko kasi yung advertisement through Facebook, no? And then, nag-inquire ako through Messenger. Sir Ruff was very responsive at all time naman. So, pag may questions kayo, sasagot naman siya as long as wala siyang, of course, mga visits sa oras na yun. And from inquiries, tapos, so tripping kami. And it was very smooth as well, always on time si Sir. Pagdating namin sa unit, yun pinakita niya, I liked it, and we decided na mag-move forward. And so after no, nag-ano na kami, nag-pirmahan na, and sobrang bilis lang din ng processing time nung from application to approval. It only took like a month.
January 20.
January.
Nag-reserve.
Oo.
25, sir. February 25.
Yes, February 25, na-approve na yung loan, and here we are. Move in.
Ayan. And thank you so much, Sir Joshua.
Yun. Siyempre, goods tayo dyan. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. Oo. It was very smooth process from the very beginning to the end. Ito na yung last process ko, kaya I can attest na yung service niya is 11 out of 10.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Joshua.
Thank you, sir.
And congratulations on your new property investment.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.